So it's one of my daughter-in-law's birthdays in about 3 days, and I've decorated this basket. I've made some paper tissue flowers to go all the way round, and then I covered it in tissue. And then because she's expecting, I thought I'd make her a Pamper set. So I got her this book. It says Bump to Birthday, and I decorated it inside. And then it's really pretty. It's got things like looking forward to, a bit about you, and it says how big the baby is and things like that. And you can put your scan pictures in, how you're feeling sick, contact numbers, first trimester, second trimester, cravings. It's a really lovely book. So I got her that, and I've decorated a little thing to go around it. I better be careful, I don't want to break this. Let me just finish doing it. Right, yeah, so I put that on there, and that's happy birthday, and that's going to go in there like that. Then I made a bookmark for her, and that says just for you, and it's got pregnant lady on it. I thought that might be handy. There's a bookmark. Then I got some travel sick bands, and it says here that it's suitable for morning sickness, so I thought that would be good. I got that as well. I might put that at the back there. Then I got scrunchie for the shower. I thought that was nice. And I got a flannel, and that's a lovely pink flannel. I then got some tummy butter stretch marks, and I put a couple of little flowers on there. So that's help with the stretch marks, and I also got this massaging oil for stretch marks. So I got those. Then I got this pucker tea for motherkind and pregnancy, so I thought that was lovely, so I decorated it and put it in a little bag. And then I've got these truffles, and there's 6 different ones, and they're in a little bag. And I've got this gorgeous, beautiful smelling candle called Tropical Watermelon. So she's got that as well. I've got this berry bar of soap. That looks lovely, so that will smell nice. I've got a bath bomb, and that's berries as well. And I got a sleep mask, so she can put that. You can have a nap during the day, in the afternoon, when she gets near the end. And then I made this little tag, happy birthday just for you, to Olivia. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in some cellophane and tie this on the top. So I will do that now, and then I'll show you the finished article. Right, and there we are, all done. See, bagged up. So we'll chuff with that. Okay, thanks for watching.